Bullish predictions for the price of Vethor by 2030 market examiners range from $0 to $1, except that Vtho could hit $0.2025. The price prediction for the Vethor market in 2023 is $0. Vethor presentation. Like Vethor, each digital currency tries to stand out in the market by being useful and coming up with new ways to use it. But no matter how important a token is, the cost of the resource is still one of the strongest predictors of its long-term potential. While many tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken over the general market, new tokens keep getting more flexible and solving blockchain problems and making them more useful. The Vethor token is one of these new tokens. This is a badge of the well-known Vethor company, and they say that Vtho is a good investment for your portfolio. What are the basics of these tokens, and what are the price ranges for Vtho tokens in the near future? The Vethor token is one part of the V chain, which is made up of many parts. Part of the Thor blockchain is the Bitcoin, which is both the local and management. The Bitcoin badge was made by Radiant Lu in 2015. VeChain Thor blockchain wants to create a friendly place for businesses to take care of their venture. VeChain, a blockchain that lets clients sell certified problems and keep track of them. Supply Fastens was first made to help only the VeChain coin as its local token. It has an advantage over other hereditary stages because its two-symbol design makes the organization faster and better at handling chain swaps. The blockchain also has an agreement part called Confirmation of Authority, which runs on power hubs that the VeChain chooses. Thor starting point for approval of exchanges. The chain uses open source plan, which draws on information engineers to share their ideas and construct the blockchain with their aggregate endeavors. After the affirmation of an exchange by the hub organization, 30% of the exchange value is returned, and 70% is burned from the stock bet. The stock bet remains the main token for paying the power hubs for the computing power used, while the Vtho is used to pay the cost of the Vethor blockchain exchange. How the parts of these two tokens are different. Bet10 Vethor makes it easy for smart deals to be made, helps people trade, and keeps risks from happening. Bet tokens are the most important tokens for making Vtho, and Vtho is used in VeChain exchange prices. Thor also has features that let people share information with more than one person and in a way that can be controlled. The above statement was made by the president of VeChain, who used to be the director of Bacardi in China. After a few years in the fashion industry, he switched to data innovation and then started the VeChain with Jay Zhang. The VeChain network used to be a side group that was supposed to manage supply chains and get rid of fake goods. Vethor is worth nothing right now. Vtho has changed 0.28 points so far, and there have been 751 trades. It is currently ranked 298 among all digital currencies, with a market cap of $84,984,278 USD. Our cost forecast conjectures utilize continuous Vethor. All market information is updated live on our website. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving at the moment. The Thor price prediction for 2023 is that it will be one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Vtho cost estimate for 2023 assumes a major growth in the last part of the year, which could add up to $0. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be steady, but there won't be any big drops. The average drop is $0. The price is high, but it will be possible sooner rather than later if everyone works together and things go as planned. Vtho is meant to be worth nothing at the start. Vethor Value Expectation 2024 Vethor Vtho cost expectation has a lot of room to grow because of the possible declarations of different new organizations and drives. We think that the cost of Vtho will soon be more than $0. Before putting down any bullish orders, we should wait to see if the Vthos general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Taking into account the instability of the market, bets will be made with the starting exchange rate of $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Vethor value estimate for 2025, if the pattern keeps going up and down until 2025. It could be worth nothing. Though, might do better if the market goes down, but that goal might not be reached. The Vtho is meant to trade at an average price of $0. A low of $0.225 Thor's expected value in 2026. If Vethor does a good job of supporting market sentiment among digital currency fans, the price of a Vtho coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Based on our predictions, a Vtho coin will be green in 2026. In 2026, the Vtho is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth nothing and will have a starting cost of nothing. Usually, it costs nothing. After a lot of research and figuring out, the expected value of a Vethor book in 2027 is, we estimate that the Vtho cost will cross a normal value level of $0 in 2027, with a starting cost of $0 before the end of the year. Also, the highest value of Vtho is $0. The Thor price prediction for 2028 is that a bullish trend will keep bringing the average price to around $0. If Vtho manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of $0. If Vtho doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could end up with no money. Vethor price prediction for 2029. Vtho is working to make it easier for organizations to work together. The positive trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at $0, which will be worth just over 1 cent a year in 2029. The Thor value prediction for 2030. By 2030, Vethor will finally do better than its previous ADH values and set a new cost level. The base price could be 1 cent, and the highest price could be 1 cent. On average, the price would be 1 cent. Thor's expected value in 2031. The digital money market is known to be very unsteady, which is one of many reasons why cost squashing is a bad idea. What is the price of Vethor today? As of today, Vethor is trading at $0, with a total market value of $84,984,278. Vethor Vtho was one of the most talked about coins in the cryptocurrency world last year. Since this is the case, it's smart to say that Vtho is a good guess. How high could Vethor go? The average price of Ether could hit $0 a year in the next 5 years. It is expected that Vethor mine will do better than $0 a year. How much will Vethor be worth in 5 years?